Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit and share documents in Microsoft Teams. This is a crucial skill for collaborating with your team as it allows you to control who can access your files and what they can do with them. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, as this will determine which teams and documents you have access to. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface with several options on the left side. On the left side of your screen, click Chat. This will open up your messaging options and navigation menu. From here, look for and click on Teams and Channels. This section shows all the teams you're part of and their respective channels, making it easy to locate the specific workspace where your document is stored. Now find the team and channel that contains the documents you want to work with and click on it. Each team might have multiple channels, so take a moment to select the right one. This step is important because documents are organized by channel, and selecting the wrong one might mean you can't find the file you're looking for. Once you're in the correct channel, look at the top of the screen and click on either Shared or Files. Both options will take you to the file storage area where all documents for that channel are kept. This is where your team uploads and manages all collaborative files. Next, find and select the document you want to edit and share. Click on it to highlight it. You might need to scroll through the list if there are many files, but once you've located it, the document will be ready for the next step. After selecting your document, click Share at the top of the screen. This opens up the sharing options, giving you full control over how the document is distributed and who can interact with it. In the sharing window, input a name, group, or email where you want to share the document. You can type in individual email addresses or select from your contacts and groups. This flexibility makes it easy to share with one person or an entire department. Right beside the name field, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to edit the permissions. Here you have several options to choose from. You can set it to Can Edit, which allows recipients to make changes to the document. You can choose Can Review, which lets them suggest edits without changing the original. There's also Can View, which allows them to only read the document, and Can't Download, which prevents them from saving a copy to their device. Select the option that best fits your needs. Additionally, you can input a message in the provided field. This is a great place to add context, instructions, or a friendly note about why you're sharing the document. It helps recipients understand what they need to do with the file. Once you've set everything up, click Send. The document will be shared instantly with your selected recipients, and they'll receive a notification with access to the file. And that's it. You've successfully edited sharing permissions and sent your document in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.